Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm making some blue cheese chicken thighs, and I have added 3 tablespoons of the Louisiana hot sauce to this chicken and a half a teaspoon of salt. So it's been marinating for about 35 minutes. So now I'm gonna preheat the oven on 400 degrees and place the chicken in there for about, I would say, 50 to 60 minutes. So let's get started. We poured some of the juice into the chicken. You can see it on the tray. And now I'm gonna add the blue cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and open this bottle here. I'm gonna add 8 ounces of the blue cheese dressing on the chicken. That will do it. Okay. I'm gonna marinate it. Make sure it's all over the chicken. This is some very good chicken. It's only a few ingredients, so. Let me wash my hands. I'm gonna add some black pepper to the chicken. Now I'm gonna place it in the oven. Now the chicken itself, based on 3 tablespoons of Louisiana hot, is really not that spicy. It's just gonna give it a little kick. So you should really enjoy it. We'll go ahead and place it in the oven. I just took the chicken out of the oven. It looks fantastic. It smells delicious. And I'm gonna place it on another plate. That way we can go ahead and eat it. All right. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe. Have a wonderful evening.